Hello, my name is Emily and I'm a product specialist. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Lovebox First Together set. The Together box is perfect for couples who have little to no experience in the bedroom. It's definitely a perfect starter kit for you. First up, we have a masturbator, which is nubbed on the inside for extra stimulation during use. It's very soft material and it's also very stretchy for the perfect fit. Next up, we have toy cleaner. This is essential in any cleaning procedure. To use, simply remove the cap, spray onto your toys and simply clean with lukewarm water and they're ready to go next time. Next up, we have a blindfold. You can make your bedroom even more exciting with this satin blindfold. Soft touch and with an elastic backing for the perfect fit. We have the satin cuffs. Very soft and silky, you can easily tie up yourself or your partner. They're adjustable as well, so you can determine how tight you want it to be. We have a billet vibrator. Batteries are included. Simply twist and it's on. Determine how strong you want the vibrations to be simply by turning it up or twisting it all the way back down. Next up, we have a couple's vibrator. The shaft just here is perfect for vaginal or anal stimulation, whereas the top part here with the little flexible arms is perfect for pinpoint stimulation, for example, the nipples. It also comes with a removable bullet vibrator. Simply to turn on, push the button and you're all set to go. The bullet vibrator comes equipped with 10 different vibration settings. Also included is a user manual co-written by a professional sexologist with lots of tips and tricks to help guide you through your first together Lovebox experience. For more information and for more starter sets, look on our website. Have fun exploring.